Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, the topic that we are going to discuss is Amazon Wholesale. First of all, we'll see how we can sell on Amazon, what is Amazon FBA, and then we'll go into wholesaling. And if you guys stay right to the end, I'm going to give you my top 5 wholesalers. Okay, so let's get right into it. First of all, we need to know how we can start Amazon FBA. So what you need to do is go onto Amazon's website, sign up for their Amazon seller account, make sure it's a business account because guess what? It's a business, so let's treat it as a business. Once you've done that, what you need to do is sign up for the Amazon FBA program. What is Amazon FBA, you would ask? Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, which means Amazon does all the heavy lifting. So which means that Amazon will pick, pack, ship, and even do the customer service for you guys at the end. So you guys, all you have to do is just make sure that you send all your inventory to the Amazon's fulfillment centers, and from there on, Amazon will take care of everything else. Now, let's discuss what is Amazon wholesaling. Amazon wholesaling does not necessarily mean that you have to sell in bulk on Amazon. What it actually means is that it's a business model where you purchase your products from the wholesalers, already well-known brands, already known to the customers, already high in demand. So you just go buy them in bulk, prepare them, and send them to the Amazon fulfillment centers. Amazon will take care of everything else there, as I said earlier. So now the question is, why should we do Amazon wholesale? So there are certain benefits that I'm going to discuss over here. First of all, as I said, high demand products. So you don't have to do you don't have to make the products yourself. You don't have to manufacture them. You can just get them from the manufacturers, distributors, or resellers. So you can get it from them. And then the most important one is that there is no marketing required, no PPC ads required. So you don't have to spend all your money on marketing. Number 3, quick to get started. All you have to do is find nice wholesalers who are willing to do business with you. You can buy the products from them, prepare them, send them to Amazon. Number 4, it's a very low risk business model because guess what? If you go into private label, you don't know how the product's going to perform. You don't know, you've done all the heavy investment into it. You have gone and got the manufacturers to make the products for you. You have branded them. You have registered your brand. You have done everything else. And now you're doing your PPC ads. You're running the ads. But you can avoid all of this cost by doing Amazon wholesale. Get the branded products, sell them to Amazon, and voila. Number 5, it's a very, very scalable business model. So what I mean by that is you can scale it very quickly. For your initial order can be very small, 20, 30, 50, 100 units. Once you see the sales are coming through, which you definitely will, if it's a good product, if you've done your product research properly. And by the way, to do your product research, if you want to know how I research my products, I've linked a video right up here. You can have a look and view it and follow along. And the software that I use for that purpose is Helium 10, or sometimes I just do free research, which is on Amazon's own website. I've got a video for that as well, which I will leave right at the end of the video. Okay, so now when I've explained all of these things to you, I'm sure there must be some questions that you guys have. Feel free to write them right down in the comments, and I'll try to get back to all of you, or as many of you as I can. But as promised, the last thing that I'm going to give you guys is my 5 wholesalers that I do business with. Number 1, SOS Wholesale. Brilliant for groceries, for health and beauty, for toiletries, for pet food, for non-edible food, anything. Non-edible groceries. And number 2 is Price Check. Number 3 is Harrison's Direct. Number 4, Pack Wholesales, and number 5th, Bargain Wholesalers. These 5 are my top 5 wholesalers that I always go to when I need products. And while we are here, one tip that I need to give you guys, always have backup wholesalers ready for your products. Every product that you do, you should have at least a minimum of 2 to 3 wholesalers so that you don't run out of stock. Sometimes one wholesaler doesn't have the stock, you take your business to the other one. If he doesn't have the stock, you take your business to the other one. So yeah, as I said, have 3 wholesalers minimum for every product that you guys do. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And if not, thank you for watching, and make sure that you like, subscribe, and share the content. It will help me a lot to grow, and it will help other people to get the content. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.